In order to meet the needs of customers, we cut the EA640F2 LED screen cabinet. This better meets the actual needs of customers. The customer requested that the EA640F2 cabinet be cut into different sizes. They are 320 by 480 mm, 640 by 160 mm and 320 by 160 mm respectively. Such customized sizes can better adapt to specific scenes and installation needs. In order to demonstrate the splicing effect of multiple sizes, we conducted a demonstration to show how LED screen cabinets of different sizes can be combined and their overall effect after splicing. This demonstration allows customers to more intuitively understand the performance and applicability of LED screens under different specifications. Subsequently, in the LED screen aging workshop, we began the formal splicing work of the EA640F2 LED screen. Here, we will accurately assemble and splice LED screens according to customer requirements. Ensure that every detail meets the customer's customized needs and undergoes strict aging testing to ensure the quality and stability of the LED screen are at their best. Through such customization and splicing services, we are committed to providing customers with the most suitable LED display solutions. Meet their specific needs and provide reliable technical support and services for their projects.